I think of you in the morning before the sun rises, when in the still of the darkness my heart feels your presence, your love, your tenderness, your slow rhythmic breathing as you sleep, and I am at peace. I think of you when the first rays of sunlight spill like a waterfall between the blinds and settle in my eyes. I reach my hand, my foot, any body part will do to touch you and breathe you in. It feeds my heart, my soul, my spirit, and I am at peace. I think of you at noon when the sun is at its highest, when the heat warms my skin and causes my eyes to close with sheer pleasure. Thoughts of you surround me, envelop me, overpower me. Images of you swirl around like a funnel cloud, sucking into its grasp all that it touches. And I am at peace. I think of you when the sun is setting and its final rays of light begin to fade. I can hear your voice, deep, soft, and slow. In my head, words of beauty, joy, friendship, and everlasting love. My heart begins to sing a love song, so sweet and so gentle. I cannot wait to share my day with you and yours with me, and I am at peace. I think of you when the sun has set and the stillness of moon is displaying one of its many wondrous faces. Thoughts of your smile, your laugh, and your eyes create a feeling that is impossible to express with just words. The need to touch you, to feel you, to drink you in is almost too much to hold inside. Anticipation of you is the greatest gift. I am at peace. I am at peace.